it's kind of out of the way, but on North Level 1, so it's kind of weird. You'll have to go down to get to it, but it's a whole student area where students are presenting projects, students are working. We're all challenged with workforce right now. And so this is a place where students are engaging, students are looking, they have demos built up, attracting students to IMTS, to have classes that are coming from local schools and things. This is kind of like the student area is in North Level 1. It's kind of
That's
like,
interesting.
it feels like you're going in the basement forever. But like, this is a really good thing to at least walk and go see.
I had no idea about that. What is that called? The S?
Yeah,
what?
it's the student, it's in North 1. It's the North 1 floor. I forget. I think it's called like the Smart Force something. I wish I could remember what it is.
And they have products there that people can go and check out?
It's about apprenticeship programs and student programs and training programs. MasterCam has a booth there. NASA has a booth there. Autodesk, Haas, Festo Didactic has a booth there. I'm looking at it right now. So there's a lot.
Did you say NASA?
NASA has a huge booth.
Whoa.
North Level 1, I'm looking at it right now. Most of the robot companies look like they're there presenting. America Makes has a booth there. So this is like a student area. And so it is worth to see what the students are doing, to engage with the workforce partners and programs that are out there, and to look and see what's going on and how you can get engaged.